with the Create More, no doubt about it, we will have the most generous fiscal incentives for investors. Because if you happen to be an exporter from 17, you add 10 more years to it, that will be 27 years. If you're domestic, so it's 22 years now plus 10. So I mean, a total of 22 years. So definitely it's a lot longer than what ASEAN are offering. And if you happen to be investing 50 billion pesos a month, by the way, even before the signing of the president of Create More, we got one in Samsung already investing 50 billion pesos. And pretty soon, I don't know if I'm in the liberty to announce it, but in Tarlac, there's another big ticket investment, another 50 billion pesos by Coca-Cola in partnership with communities. Now, as for the other incentives, okay, so I mentioned about this tax on duty importation, the VAT exemption. So these ones will go to export. Unless you're high value DME, you will enjoy the same if you're investing 15 billion pesos a month. So about this VAT, you know that weekend leading to the signing by the president of the Create More, I hope we can contain this information in the four corners of this world. There were attempts to veto some of the items, and they knew all along it was special that inserted, there is this critical provision in the Create More that all these RDEs, export at that are selling to the local market, need not register anymore with the BIR or VAT. That is a landmark, key amendment. And today, up to this time, they're not familiar with how we operate in the economic zone. When we talk about ecozones being invested with separate customs territory, cross-border doctrine, destination principle. So you know how we explain it? So there is this concept of technical importation. Okay? So imagine if you're an entity importing items from abroad, before you can release your items from the port, if you're requiring, DOC will require you to pay all the applicable duties and VAT. Okay? So nobody can release unless they pay. There is no withholding agent in that transaction because the VAT is directly remitted to the government. So we liken it to, we apply the same principle in the economic zones. All of you are like exporters from abroad. So that when a company buys from you, the burden over VAT and reporting to the BIR for all the VAT reports is now shifted to the one buying.